The Greater Bengaluru Governance Bill has been a major topic in Karnataka recently. Passed by the Congress government on March 10, 2025, it aims to change how Bengaluru, India's tech hub, is managed. The government says it will improve things, but many citizens, opposition parties, and local groups disagree. They see it as a power grab that ignores the public's voice. As of March 24, 2025, protests are growing and the debate is heating up. Let's break it down step by step and understand what's happening here. Now, why did this bill come up? Bengaluru has grown massively over the years. It now covers about 786 square kilometers and is home to nearly 15 million people. The Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike, which is the BBMP that runs the city, has been struggling to keep up. Garbage piles up, roads are in bad shape, water is scarce, and traffic is a daily headache. To make matters worse, the BBMP hasn't had elected leaders since 2020, leaving it directionless. The Congress government, led by the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy CM DK Shivkumar, who oversees Bengaluru's development, decided it was time for a change. They believe the city is too big for one team to handle effectively. Now, that's where this bill comes in, to reorganize things and hopefully fix the mess.